one more time. Could you explain this for me?
This is
Hi everyone, good morning. So it's morning 10 a.m. and we are going for a breakfast. Breakfast that you never tried with the special place and the ambience and many more. So this place in Chicago, just in front of Square Laundry. So this is the place where we are going for this special meal. So let's go inside and stay tuned with us for this special meal. Tell me something about her.
it's one of my favorite restaurants, and they have the best food, mix of Indian and American, and the best chai ever I drank in the US.
And the cafe name,
Cafe name is Super Khana International.
location.
As you could see, it's in Diversity Avenue,
Okay.
and the ambience is too good. If you can watch around, there is a bar, there's a restaurant. They give employment to all kind of genders here, so no discrimination.
And with the floral furniture as well.
Yeah.
Tell me what you ordered. Could you tell me what you ordered?
Okay, so I ordered one Bombay sandwich.
What is it?
So it's
What's special about Bombay sandwich?
It's a healthy sandwich made with the beetroot,
Uh-huh.
little bit of vegetables.
And taste like?
It's like normal sandwich, but it's so yum. It comes with some potatoes, which obviously you don't like it. But the sandwich tastes really good. It's one of
Okay.
the best sandwich. And another one is dosa hash. So
Okay.
the dosa is being covered by cabbage, potatoes, and lot of veggies.
It's not like
Normal dosa, no.
Okay.
And on top of that, there is like half fry, one egg. And
Okay.
there is one French toast as well, which is being the French toast is being made with the help of the carrot halwa. When it will come, you'll see, you'll be surprised how beautifully they have made it. It's so yum.
It's in sweet, right?
Yeah, it's in sweet, it's in desserts, and also chai.
Okay.
So they serve
So chai like India,
Yeah,
or
it tastes like
the
India.
America has the
No, no,
different
no.
kind of taste
Yeah,
in
I'll
chai.
tell you. So it tastes like in India, and especially they give the cups, the glass cups, the authentic ones, and they serve Parle G biscuits as well with the
Oh
chai.
my God.
Yeah, so that makes it really unique. The quantity is less, but the quality is amazing.
Okay. So I'll let you know once I taste.
Yeah, sure. Give your reviews.
Sure. Now we are waiting for the meal. It will take.
Approximately 15 minutes.
So after 15 to 20 minutes, I'll let you know the taste of his favorite place.
One of. Okay, Samriti, tell me something about the table etiquettes.
आई थिंक कि आप ऑलरेडी अवेयर होंगे बहुत ज़्यादा टेबल एटिकेट से बट जो मैंने अभी करंटली ऑब्जर्व किया 2-3 सो फर्स्ट वन द गुड पार्ट इज है दैट यू डोंट हैव टू यूज़ योर होल एल्बो ऑन द टेबल whenever you are eating, then you just have to use till the wrist like this. For we can use our both hands for the cutting and just taking and eating. And whenever you're calling the waiter, then you just have to use your two fingers and the eye contact. And if the eye contact is not there, then you can raise your hand. And if, as you told me, like if your fingers are not there or something like this, then you can raise your whole hand. And if you don't have the hands, then you can give your standing audition as well.
Oh my god.
That's all. I think this is good for
And
now.
if someone doesn't see me, then I can throw the glasses off.
No.
Okay.
अभी के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है. लेटर ऑन जब भी मैं ऑब्जर्व करूँगी कुछ तो मैं आपको आई कीप टेलिंग यू ऑल दिस थिंग्स whenever needed or whenever I observe.
All right. Thank you.
Oh wow, it looks really amazing.
Yeah, it is.
So our first cuisine is on the table with my hubby, Mr. Shitish Sharma. शर्मा जी
Yeah.
स्टार्ट करें, टेस्ट करके बताओ जल्दी कितना।
Yeah. Use this.
How's it?
Amazing. Just as always.
Oh my god, it's too amazing. Like done with dosa hash.
Samriti, so
So here is your favorite sandwich that I'm going to taste.
okay. How's it?
It's really yum.
Really? You like it?
I like it. I love it.
Okay.
It's little creamy, cheesy, full of veggies.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Amazing.
Okay. Enjoy.
इतना सारा मीठा खाएंगे कैसे? तो खाएंगे, पर आपको मैंने मना किया था इतनी सारी कैलोरीज।
संडेज को अलाउड होती है सारी कैलोरीज।
ओह माय गॉड, सैटरडे को भी अलाउड होती है, फ्राइडे को भी अलाउड होती है। कोई दिन बचा? Here is our chai.
Very.
Historic सी।
So I don't know. स्मृति को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं? Let's see her reaction. How's it, स्मृति?
It's amazing. थोड़ा एग का टेस्ट आ रहा है।
हाँ तो फ्रेंच टोस्ट में एग रहता ही ना बेबी। एक मिनट हलवा दो।
काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है। Carrots are so fresh.
Nice.
टेस्ट काफी अच्छा है।
Caramelized type. Okay. Enjoy.
एकदम वो डीप क्रीम वाला टेस्ट आ रहा है। And they garnish with a coconut as well.
Wow.
Perfect taste. Highly recommend. Lychee is specially imported from India.
How's it?
These cups as well.
Yeah.
इंडिया वाला ही टेस्ट है।
रहेगा ना?
शुगर थोड़ी कम है।
लग रहा है टपरी पे बैठ के।
मस्त।
शुगर इसलिए कम है ना बिकॉज वी एट दिस
Right.
French toast.
Perfect. Perfect breakfast
हैप्पी संडे।
in Chicago with our lychee. बचपन के बाद आज खा रही हूँ मैं पार्ले जी in America.
नाइस।
So guys, done with the breakfast and इतना ज़्यादा हमने ऑर्डर कर लिया था कि जो बचा हुआ था वो हम पैक करके लिया है।
घर पे खाएंगे इसको रात को।
हाँ, चैन नहीं आपको। So thank you for watching for our perfect breakfast. So like, share, subscribe for more
यो
Chicago vlogs to explore some cafes and new things with us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. जब मैं दिल्ली में रहती थी तो काफ़ी डर डर के रहना पड़ता था। इवन अगर मैंने फ़ोन भी हाथ में लेके चल के जाती थी ना मार्केट, तो हम